sorry I didn't give you everybody an update in the morning. I had too much. I guess I had too much fun yesterday, or too much running yesterday. I went back to the hotel, took a shower, and I didn't even eat dinner, and I just collapsed on the bed. I actually had to wake myself up later in the evening to eat dinner. I was just so tired. So tired that I overslept, not because I ignored the alarm. I was so tired last night, I set the alarm to the wrong time. So that tired. So this morning, kind of just really hectic, woke up, did a warm up without eating breakfast, and then things are happening fast. Now we're two out of 3 races in. We just only have one more main race left, and today is, really, this is why sporting competition is so fascinating. Fastest all Friday, fastest all Saturday, fastest in a warm-up session in the morning, and then qualifying, somebody pulled 6/10 of a second on me. Yes, I made a mistake. I think it cost me 2/10, but somebody just showed up on Sunday and cleared me by more than half a second. What in the world just happened? And in qualifying, not in one, but just qualifying, just suddenly, okay, great. And so I ended up qualifying third because that mistake cost me second. Very, very close with second place. So we got hundreds. And the first heat race, there was quite a lot of bumping. And I finished fourth just because, some people joke about I have this open wheel driving mentality. I just don't like touching other karts. I don't like touching other people. I guess yes, with Formula Renault, you just kind of lose a wing and your race is finished with one little touch. So I just kind of I just don't touch, and then I'll pass them later in the race. And so very much starting third, very soon I was down to like fifth, 2-3 laps in, just because people make mistake in front of me, I'll get hold up, and then somebody behind me will just pass me. And it just takes a long time for me to get back by them cleanly, because the go-kart we are driving are so slow down the straight. It's just not a lot of place to do a very clean brake and pass. And then going down the straight, you may be fast, but you're not a lot faster. So we try different gearing and all that, but basically the last 2 heat races, I finished fourth in all of them. Plenty of action, actually. You think like I started fourth and I still finished fourth, or I started third, finished fourth, start fourth, finish fourth again. You think that's kind of boring, but the GoPro will tell you otherwise. So definitely, and to add insult to injury, I was actually supposed to do I actually started the live session. I was going to start a live session about 20 minutes ago. Right before I clicked start, my boy here told me my engine mount, the thread is the engine mount thread basically is not biting onto the chassis anymore. I was like, what? I just can't. Like my last video said, I thought we came out here, everything's sorted. Now we're fixing go-kart at a very important race, the last race. Wow. Okay. But thankfully he's we cannibalized another engine mount for another go-kart, put it on mine, and we put it on in time. But this is kind of running theme, right, with me, working on mental strength. This is just not getting phased because I'm not the fastest guy in the class anymore. Not getting phased because I didn't eat breakfast. Not getting phased because I probably didn't eat lunch, because there was supposed to be a food truck here, there isn't, and I don't have time now to drive into town and grab food. And then now I'm not getting phased because maybe my engine mount, I think we got it back together, but it's not the same as last 2 sessions. Something different in the kart. That's what I will probably keep telling myself in my head, like this is different, and I need to tell myself, no, just drive. So yeah, that's kind of why I race for Rio instead of doing track events, because there's all this. This is actually racing. Most of this is actually what's happening racing. than just running laps on the track. All right, okay, I'll keep everybody posted. I'm gonna just need a bit more mental tweaking myself. My race is coming up in about 10-15 minutes. Talk to you guys. Bye bye.